Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Inspect the Swift RL for wear, choose a compatible rope, and have a locking carabiner ready. Next, orient the device so the rope entry faces the climber, and clip the carabiner through the limb designated for attachment. Thread the climbing rope through the device following the engraved diagram, making sure the braking strand exits on the correct side. Once done, lock the carabiner and pull a load on the system to verify correct alignment and smooth cam engagement. You now control rope feed and braking. With the Swift RL clipped, keep your brake hand on the braking strand at all times. This is how the device blocks and how you stop a fall. Feed rope by pulling through with a guiding hand while the device smoothly lets rope pass. For lead belaying, be ready to take in quick and slack. When a fall happens, the cam bites automatically. Hold the braking strand tight to stabilize the catch, and then prepare to lower. You finish by learning the correct lowering technique and common fixes. To lower the climber, keep a firm grip on the braking strand and gently lift the body of the Swift RL to modulate the cam, allowing controlled rope feed. Move smoothly, not abruptly. When transitioning between climbers, keep communication clear and the brake strand managed. If the device jams or the rope stalls, keep the brake held, lock off, and then visually inspect for rope twists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.